What is up, you beautiful people? If you guys remember, my uncle not too long ago got his Indian Challenger and he installed the Tab Performance exhaust with the Zombie Baffles, but recently he wanted it to be a tad bit louder for some reason, as if it wasn't loud enough.
One more time for the one more time.
But he installed the mid-pipe option that they have for the Challenger, which is in his case the 212, and they also have the 2-into-1, so he has the 212. And he installed this, so it basically takes this ginormous catalytic converter and installed it for this mid pipe, and it shaved like probably at least 20 pounds off of the bike. But the whole point is, of course, to make it louder, and it makes it more higher flowing, and it allows you to get more performance out of the bike. So if you want to see that whole process, yeah, keep watching.
I have a visitor. Go bag it in. You know, we still gotta get the other one in here. So we got a new bike in the garage temporarily. I think it's getting a little tight. It's getting a little tight. We had to disconnect the little wire first.
I know I hit it, didn't
Yeah, that's it right there. Whoa, that's crazy. Your bike already dusty, so I don't feel bad about the 9 now.
Yeah.
I was just saying how I had all this dust up on the hood of the bike. 13 years old, your bike ain't what? Not even a year old yet.
The video is the same way. Now,
so what we're doing, folks, we're actually taking the saddlebags off.
Yeah.
He's taking it all off. He's gonna take the mufflers off to install the pipe. Got one off. And he's got custom dynamics lights on here.
Yeah, I ain't gonna lie to them. They actually add, you know how tech windows always add value to your car?
Yeah.
That's what them lights do me.
This garage getting a little small here, bro. Come on, you right there.
I know. Oh, did the same thing to that side like I did to the other one. Will you do that, please?
Yeah!
That's what I'm talking about.
That's a lot, dude.
Yeah. It's a good bit.
Oh, that's a lot. This compared to this.
I'm surprised those feet grinding.
This is a big difference. Huge difference. We gotta play soccer with the cat. It's pretty heavy.
Yeah, that's the problem.
No, I won't.
Put some grease on it. And it's gonna smoke like a
So you done?
That's a nice one.
All right, time for the startup. Finally.
He dropped the cuff at it. He just.
Oh, and I didn't even get that on camera.
Yeah,
That's good.
That's what saved it right now.
Oh God, the party's here now.
Damn, right, we got, they get to hear everything. They got that beat.
Lord, it's about to be loud. My eardrums are just about to go. I know it's coming. I know it's coming. Go ahead. I know it's coming. Straight pipe. Oh, it's not that bad. It's louder. It's louder. It sounds like it's hollow. That's all I would like to see. I like my seat. Yeah. It's cold out here.
Yeah, it is. It's pretty damn chilly now, brother.
I did Regis.
Brian is taking one for the team. He's going to take the Challenger for a spin up the block in probably about 30-something degree weather. And it's really wet out here.
Oh, man.
Somebody don't want their helmet.
All right, let's get this. Sorry, neighbors. I love you guys.
It ain't all that bad, though. That sounds like a cheat.
It is a little wet out here, so, and it's raining. And it's on.
That looks so good. But it ain't all that bad. It sounds like a cheater, man.
No, it don't. Not exactly.
Okay, maybe it doesn't
No,
then.
it doesn't. I
Is
know.
it louder than you?
Yeah. Look, I know
It's louder than you, bro?
It's louder to me.
It's a different sound. It's not the same sound at all. As far as loudness, I think my chieftain was louder.
No, he's shifting.
Oh,
Yeah, we were
No,
talking about.
my teeth still sound the same. Just depending on the mode.
I don't know, bro.
well, what I don't, the loudness of it isn't bad. It's not as loud as
It
I
ain't
thought.
bad. That's what I'm trying to tell James. Sure, I wrote that
That's
to
what I'm
you with
saying,
the love.
boy. In terms of the sound of this to the sound of the chieftain, they don't sound the same.
No, they don't. I ain't say they sound the same. I just said it was
okay.
it's loud.
It's loud? Oh, okay.
No,
No,
I don't-
no, you say the chieftain was louder.
No, I said they're about the same.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
the only way I'll be able to say they're about the same is if I got it on the highway. Because the chieftain on the highway, it droned at a certain, like if you're going 80 miles an hour on the chieftain, it droned in my ears. And it actually started to hurt after a while. I don't know that about this yet. What I do know on that, I think it's the electric throttle. It's like a delay.
Yes, it has a delay.
Yeah.
So, but I knew about that though, but I ain't wrote it yet. Knew about that though. See, it
Yeah,
wasn't
so-
like that before.
It went like what?
That delay.
I didn't
So
look
when
and
it
see what you had it on. Like, was it on sport or what was it?
This is on standard.
Standard.
I had just turned the standard. I had it on rain when I came over.
Gotcha. So, downshifting, that lateness, you gotta get used to that lateness when you're downshifting. But past that, man, I like the sound. It has a more muscly sound now.
That's the way of putting
Yeah, I like the sound.
It has a trunk though.
it. You don't like the trunk. Hey, I tell
Want the
you.
pancake?
I tell you, we were pulling together.
You say you want it?
I'm not sure that I want it.
Hey James, you like it?
I don't.
Oh,
Yeah.
with the Challenger and the V-Rod, it pulled like it wasn't even on there.
With the trunk on it?
Yes, it actually the front wheel came up with the trunk on.
Yeah, it came up.
Yeah,
I don't know about now though, cause see, it ain't got that much back pressure to it now, so it needs to be tuned for sure.
but anyway, that's all, folks. Cat
Yeah,
delete.
like-
Bike sounds
yeah.
good. There you go.